I can hear some little feet coming up. Are you coming upstairs? It's Frankie Jack. Hello, I'm Sally Jacks, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and then you get to hear about all the vlogs that I'm doing. Sorry, I've just run upstairs. I just wanted to show you the Halloween, can you see? Oh, the Halloween napkin rings that I've done. You can see they're a bit scratched because they're old. They're old napkin rings. I've got a bit of a party going on for the kids, and I wanted to do something a little bit different. Yes, sweetheart? Okay, baby. And what I've done is old napkin rings. I've bought skull rings. Can you see that? And then all I've done is snapped off the back completely clean, so there's nothing on the back at all. So I've taken off the ring, and then I've stuck it with super glue, gorilla glue, whatever you find. I put hot glue on, but it just came off. It was just a waste of time. It didn't work for me, and I use hot glue for a lot of stuff, but it just didn't work. So I've used just I think it was gorilla glue I used on this one. But look how effective they look. That obviously didn't cost me anything because it was already in my drawer. That ring only cost me 50p, so that's cost me 50 pence to do. Now you can imagine, I was saying to Gary, if that was sold in like John Lewis or Selfridges, how much would it be? I can't believe it. I'm really, really chuffed, and I'm going to use black serviettes through it as well. So that's another idea for Halloween if you're doing a Halloween party. But also, I said to Gary's my husband, I said to Gary, I absolutely love this so much. I might actually use these through the year as well. Look, he's got a little cross that dangles down. So you just got to find cheap bits of jewellery, but I do collect them sort of in my craft box. I've got beetles and all sorts, so when I see them on sale. Or, actually, I've got one here. This was part of a ring that was in a shop, and it's broken off. And if you can see at the bottom, it's all broken. But I'm actually going to use that for the top of a bottle of sort of charms or spells or something like that I'm making. And I just asked them, I said, how much? And they gave me that for 20p. So, so you can find all sorts out there. So that was 50p because I already had the napkin rings, and that was just a 50p ring. So that's another idea for Halloween. Don't forget to subscribe to find out what else I'm doing. I'll see you later.